How to improve your sound quality on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change your settings to improve your sound quality on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here you will need to take is head over to your settings. Head over to your settings and go to accessibility. Locate the accessibility section, tap on that. And after that, you will need to head over to hearing devices. So scroll down until you find hearing devices. It's under hearing section. Tap on that. Now all you need to do is enable hearing aid compatibility. Tap on OK. And as you can see, hearing aid compatibility and iPhone noise cancellation both can't be enabled. So simply turn that on first. After you've done that, now before I show you guys the next step, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's get right back into it. Now the other setting that you need to change is search for music on your app. So head over to your settings and search for music. So if you don't find music, that's completely alright. You can head over to apps section right here on the bottom, then search for music. So it should be right here. Okay, there we go. And under music, what you'll need to do is search for EQ. It's right here. Tap on EQ, and the one that you need to choose is late night. After you've chose late night, you can then go ahead and enable sound check. This one right here, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. That's all for today. Stay tuned.